In this video, I'm going to show you how to refill the ink cartridges of your Epson WorkForce 2930 printer. Now the first step is to switch off the printer, press the power button and turn it off. Once you switch off the printer, open the ink chamber by lifting it from this side. Now we have to move the ink cartridges to this side. Usually it is locked. To unlock it, you can give a copy command before switching off the printer and then unplug it. Or there is a one white color lock here. You have to push it to the forward, and with the other finger you can move the ink cartridges to the left hand side, and now it is unlocked. Whenever you have to refill the ink cartridges, make sure you refill all of them so that you don't get any message to refill the ink cartridge soon. So I'm going to refill all the 4 ink cartridges, and this printer uses 232 ink cartridge. Refilling is very straightforward. If you refill it before you get any message on the display panel, whenever you see your ink is almost half or less than half, just refill it so that you can print more. These cartridges, just look here, there is a square like structure on this side, and you just have to make a hole on the top of it, just here. Now we have to make a hole on the top so that we can fill the ink. You can use a iron solder or you can use a screwdriver, and it's important to know where to make the hole. So you will see the one square like box on the top here. Just on the top of that you have to make a hole so that we can fill the ink. So you don't have to make a large hole, just make it enough so that the needle can go in. So with the small screwdriver I can check if the hole is created. Yes, it is done. So I'm going to make hole for all of these 4 ink cartridges right now. That's the third one, and that's our last 4th one. Once we make a hole, now we are going to fill the ink inside these ink cartridges. Let's fill the black ink. Use 5 to 10 ml and don't overflow the ink. So I have filled 8 ml in this. That's the one. Go for the next. So I'm going to fill around 8 ml in this. So 2 ink cartridges are done. Let's go for the magenta. That's our last one. I think the yellow ink is almost finished here. So that is here. Next step is to seal the top of the ink. Now we have to seal it using the hot glue gun. So just seal the top of all of these 4 ink cartridges. That will prevent the loss of the ink. You can also use the hot glue gun and just seal it from the top so that the ink doesn't come out. So that's the best way to seal it. Next step is to load the ink cartridges. So place them. Now close it. Switch on the printer. Load A4 size paper in the rear paper tray. Confirm it on the screen. Now we have to do the printhead cleaning so that the ink system starts to work. Scroll ahead and look for the maintenance. Go to the head cleaning and press OK, proceed, start, and click on the start. So it's going to take around 3 minutes for that. Let's check the print result. We can see 3 inks has started to show up, whereas 1 ink is not showing up. That means we have the missing lines or segments, and we have to go to the printer display panel again. Are there any missing segments? Yes, we have. Clean printhead, clean the printhead, proceed. We have 2 options, cleaning and power cleaning. You can choose any one of that. Power cleaning always use more ink for the cleaning. So just to save the ink, we'll do the printhead cleaning normal about 2 to 3 times. If that doesn't work, only then we'll go for the power cleaning. So click on the start. So it's going to take around another 3 minutes. Let's see the print result. We can clearly see all the 3 inks has started to work. We are going to do the final printhead cleaning right now. So that should improve everything. Or if you have everything okay, then you can just click on the no. Let's do a copy test. Press OK, color copy, 1 copy, start. So you can see it has started to work, but some of the areas are missing. Just give the printer some time, few hours, and the print head will start working normally. Now you can start printing, like copy and print. It may miss some of the segments. For that you can do the print head alignment if there are missing lines, and this way we can refill the ink cartridges and we can start using it. Thanks for watching.